a 6-ton asteroid entered the Earth's atmosphere, creating a fireball that lit up the night. This celestial visitor, traveling at an astonishing speed of approximately 25 kilometers per second, disintegrated upon atmospheric entry, producing a spectacle that left onlookers both awestruck and curious. The asteroid, roughly the size of a small truck, had been on a collision course with Earth for millions of years before its final, fiery descent. As it hurtled towards our planet, the friction with the atmosphere caused its surface to heat up to thousands of degrees Celsius, leading to a brilliant explosion known as an airburst. Interestingly, this event has provided a treasure trove of data for scientists. The fireball's entry was captured by numerous cameras, including those belonging to the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration, as well as amateur astronomers. One of the most fascinating aspects of this event is the sheer energy released during the asteroid's disintegration. Estimates suggest that the explosion released energy equivalent to several kilotons of TNT. This immense energy caused a shockwave that was felt for kilometers, rattling windows and setting off car alarms. For the residents of the Philippines, the fireball was a once-in-a-lifetime spectacle. Many captured the event on their smartphones, sharing videos and photos on social media, which quickly went viral. The vivid footage shows the night sky suddenly lighting up, followed by a streak of bright light and a loud boom. This event has also reignited discussions about planetary defense. While the 6-ton asteroid posed no significant threat, it serves as a reminder of the potential dangers that larger space rocks could bring. Scientists and space agencies worldwide are continually working on strategies to detect and deflect potentially hazardous asteroids. In the aftermath of this celestial event, the Philippines has seen a surge in interest in astronomy and space science. Educational institutions and science organizations have capitalized on this newfound curiosity, organizing public lectures, stargazing events, and workshops. In conclusion, the 6-ton asteroid fireball that illuminated the Philippine skies was not just a spectacular natural event, but also a significant scientific opportunity. It has provided insights into the nature of asteroids, highlighted the importance of planetary defense, and inspired a renewed interest in space science among the public.